What's up guys, this is a new video. Today I am showing you some black color and yellow color pistol, rifle, shotgun, etc. Okay, so let's begin the show. So first of all I show you a rifle. Okay, see, this is look like a scarrel rifle. Okay, this is yellow and black. Okay, yellow black color rifle. This rifle have a knife. Okay, and see, this is a knife. And how it's work, first of all you turn and then shoot, and once more time turn and shoot. Okay, another time turn and shoot. So that's it. Okay, then I show you yellow colored bullet. Okay, yellow colored some bullet. Then guys, I show you a pistol. This is also black and yellow colored pistol. Okay, and everyone, how it's work, turn and shoot. Okay, once more time, turn and shoot, turn and shoot. Then guys, I show you same pistol. Okay, another A222 pistol. Turn and shoot, turn and shoot. See? So everyone, then I show you a small shotgun, black and yellow color, black yellow color shotgun. Okay, see, this plastic body is very strong. And how it's work, turn and shoot, turn and shoot. Okay, and last time turn and shoot. See everyone. Then guys, I show you a medium type shotgun. Okay, see, this is a medium shotgun, and this is black yellow color shotgun. Okay, and how it's work, turn and shoot. Okay, once more time, turn and shoot, turn and shoot. Okay, turn and shoot. So that's it. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye all guys. Mwah.